Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our Goldie Box from our girl Jet, so let's get into it. Check it out. If you are new to Goldie Boxed is a lifestyle box. It was started, wow, more than a couple of years ago now, I think, by our girl Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. I will link her and her channel below. Love her. She's been a friend now for many years. She started this lifestyle box because she went through and decided what she liked in all of the other boxes that we were getting and what she didn't like. And the beauty of this box is you decide how many products you would like to receive, and the price of your box is based on that. And you will have all of the same customization choices except for two. I'll explain those in a second, regardless of the customizations. It's not like there's this many in customization 1, this many in customization 2. There are total 14 items that everyone can choose from. Then there's also a Silver Bear exclusive item and a Gold Bear exclusive item. If you are a Gold Bear, you can also choose the Silver Bear item. Basically, you decide how many items you would like to be in your box and you make your choices. Plus, in each of the boxes, you will have the bonus item. So if you're a Bronze Bear, you will have the Bronze Bear item. If you are a Silver Bear, you will have the Silver Bear and the Bronze Bear bonus item. If you're a Gold Bear, you will get the Gold Bear exclusive item, plus you will also get the Silver and the Bronze. Let me tell you about the pricing. If you are a Bronze Bear, you will choose your 3 products from any of the 14 items that are in customization, plus you will have your bonus item, and that is $29.99. If you are a Silver Bear, you will choose 5 items from the 14 items, plus you can also choose from the Silver Bear exclusive if you'd like. You don't have to. You will have your 2 bonus items, the Bronze and the Silver, and that is $44.99. If you are a Gold Bear, you will choose 7 items. You will have the 14 original items, plus the Silver Bear and the Gold Bear exclusive items that you can choose from. Plus, you will have the 3 bonus items, the Gold Bear, the Silver, and the Bronze, and that is $59.99. There's also a surprise box for $21.99 where you will get 3 of the customization items chosen for you. Let's get into this. And a couple of other things that are really great about the box. Some of the packing that she uses is recycled boxes. She has a machine where she takes boxes that she receives or other cardboard boxes and she puts it in it and it makes packaging. So she's recycling packaging. And for every box sold, there's a tree planted, and she sends us an email with a link to show how our forest is going, our Goldie Boxed forest is going. When we open it up, that is a perfect example. We have our paperwork. This is a perfect example of the cardboard that she does. See how her machine takes regular used cardboard and saves in packaging? Then she has this in some gorgeous, looks like lilac tissue paper. And when we open it up, that is what my box looks like. Let's dig in. It is chocked full. I choose to be the Gold Bear, which is $59.99. So I will have 7 items plus the 3 bonus items that are in here. We're just gonna dig in right off the top. I chose because each season she usually has, I think, at least one family style item, and I always get that because I love having things around here for the girls to play with. And I just thought this is perfect. These would be fantastic. They are tiny little puzzles. These are micro puzzles, a set of 2 4x6 puzzles, 1 sea themed and 1 dinosaur themed. So my sea theme is I'd rather be a mermaid. It's 150 pieces. So see how tiny they are? There's 150 pieces in this. It's about the length of my hand. The girls are going to love this. And this one is dinosaur themed. That is just so cool. They are going to absolutely love doing these. I'm gonna take out one of these pieces and show you. Oh my gosh, they are so tiny. Can you, in my hand, how much fun is that gonna be? 150. 150 of these pieces. We both know I'm gonna be picking these up off the floor. These are gonna be, they're gonna love it. Our girls love puzzles. Actually, both of their parents like doing them with them too. So what a fun family activity. If I didn't tell you, $17.98 value. I'm gonna keep track of my value so that you can compare it to the $59.99 that my box costs. But I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna round up. This is $17.98. I'm calling it $18 for math purposes. Next out, and the theory here is, I know what this is. I picked every one of these items. This is a premium Turkish cotton towel from Turkey with love. Oh my gosh, it is so soft, guys. It is incredibly soft. I got a nice gray color. I'm not sure if they were all gray or not. Let's read. caftan, $35 to $40, so they must come in different colors. A classic organic Turkish towel that gets softer the more you wash it, in 2 colors, gray or white. And again, I think now that I'm saying that, I feel like I chose gray. I feel like I chose gray. This, I can't imagine this getting softer. It is already, I'm not gonna open this because it will be impossible for me to get back in here, but it is already so soft. See the pretty tassels? I cannot imagine, it getting any softer. That is fantastic. Well, I don't know if it came in gray and white, and apparently one was 35 and one was 40. I don't know the difference, so we'll go ahead and use the lower value. All right, next out, you guys know, I can't say no to a palette. I have the Desert Vibes. That is what that looks like. And this is an IBY palette. I've always really enjoyed the IBY palettes. I think they make some fantastic colors, and I always love their formulas feel really creamy. When we open it, yeah, I just love the look of their palettes. How pretty is that? It's really neutral and gorgeous. That is so pretty. It's kind of warm, which is gonna be, this is gonna be perfect for summer. And actually, it would be great for fall too. It's just, generally speaking, it's gonna be really nice color. Oh, so creamy, and look how gorgeous. They're just so creamy and nice. I love the way they feel. I'm just picking these random colors right here along the bottom just to show you. I love the IBY. I'll put them on the back of my hand just to show you how well they went on the back of my hand. Just, that is so pretty. Love this accent blue that we have. That's gonna kind of give it its summery feel, I think. The paperwork says IBY Beauty, $20, a California desert inspired palette with shades for festival season. Well, I don't have festivals, but I guess I do have desert vibes because I like the way this looks. And just for the record, we're 3 items in and I have exceeded the cost of my box. I'm already at $73. Next out, we have a nice candle. It is the Scent Spot Scented Goods Rainy Days. I don't know if I chose Rainy Days. This says a handmade 4-ounce soy wax candle, clean burning and scented well in 2 scents, Rainy Day or Tutti Frutti. So that would imply I probably had a choice, and it has a $22 value if I didn't say that. Does. How do they do that? It smells so good. This smells like something, honestly, it smells like something that I have smelled at Bath and Body Works. I like it a lot though. It smells very, very nice. Oh my gosh, it's just a 4-ounce candle. It's very much, oh, I didn't light my candle. It's very much like this Vella candle that I have. I can tell you right now where it's going. It's going downstairs in my downstairs bathroom. I love the freshness of this. Forgot to light my candle back there. I just always have candles burning. It is so unlike me to forget to light a candle. Next, I have the portable sound-bound water-resistant speaker. Live, love, loud. I got this for the weirdest reason. I'll tell you about that in a second. The paperwork says, oh, you know what? I don't have paperwork on this. The vendor that Jess was working with ended up not sending her enough of the one that I had chosen, and she sent out an email to all of us who had chosen that saying, does anybody mind changing what they chose? And because of why I chose this, I did not mind at all. I'm trying to open this without destroying it. I chose this because my husband golfs. And apparently now, instead of silence when they golf, sometimes they listen to music if their foursome is far enough away from everybody else. And I have offered him speakers that I have gotten in the past, you know, that he can use Bluetooth, but they're all very pretty. One of the choices Jess had was blue, and I had chosen that one. But when she came out with the second round and said, does anybody mind changing? I jumped right on this. It is black and gray. So that's the speaker part, and black and gray. And he needs it to hang so he can hang it from something on his golf club. Of course, this also has a sucker on it. So if you wanted to hang it in your shower, you've got your on and off and up and down and all the rules here. I wonder what that means. Ooh, I wonder if I can make it play music. Hold on. Let's see if I can link it really quickly to my iPad and make it play music. Shoot, I can't play music. I was just looking it up. I can't play music or I'll get dinged for copyright. Well, that's the only music we get to hear. He will like very much that this is black and discreet and much more I'm gonna say manly than some of the florals and pinks that I've offered him from past boxes. Even managed to get it back in the box, feeling quite proud of myself. So that had a $40 value. Next out we have, I know this is my base blue brush. You guys know I love brushes. I love brushes, and I love that it had this nice cover that you could use if you're traveling. This is so soft. So have I ever had, I don't think I've ever had a base blue brush. I have had some base blue products. They did that gorgeous Vermeer palette. Love that palette. This is the brush. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. What does it say? Base blue, soft brush for highlighter, true, blush or bronzer. Yep, perfect size for all of those. Comes with a cover, making it perfect for travel. I love it. It feels so soft, and now you can just, it just covers up so nicely. It will travel nicely. Actually, it will be protected in my drawer. I will probably use the cover all the time. Okay, the last item that I have in my bag, don't know what this is. This is just a cute little tote bag. I thought it would just be perfect for carrying little things around for the summer. Look how cute that is. That is adorable. On the back side, it has the strap, I think probably just for design, although my girls, one of my girls would probably love this. I shouldn't even say what I'm getting ready to say. You could take, my girls all do the Disney pin swapping. You could take like Disney pins or any pins that you like, and you could do them right down this because it would be so easy. The inside is kind of lined in plastic. So you could totally use this for like your lunch. There are pockets. Can you see? I'm putting my hand in a pocket. I know the black on black is probably difficult to see. Wow, it even has, I'm gonna try and get this, guys. It even has, can we see that? Yeah, right here, a zipper. It has a zippered pocket. So it has a full size on the back, and on one of the sides, perfect for like a water bottle. And then the zippered pocket if you wanted to tuck in, you know, your wallet or just something little. And then we also have, if you wanted to wear it either as a crossbody or just draped, and they just hook. I make this look so easy, don't I? And then that is what that looks like. That is so cute. I'm thinking one of my girls is gonna love this for the summer. I suspect this isn't longed to be mine, but I'm really, really happy. And I shouldn't be surprised because it's Jessica, but I'm really happy with the quality. It says it's an Ellison & Young, $28.75, mini me canvas tote in black or white. And I did choose black because you can't trust me with a completely white purse. Pockets are the right size for garden tools. Oh yeah, no. I have to admit that never even crossed my mind doing gardening with my tote. I got 7 choices. Those are the choices I made. The other choices I could have had were the Freebird Essential Oil Soak Wooden Balls in the Scent Plumeria. So there were little balls that could have scent and then you could use them decoratively. A Cab Cosmetics Long Lasting Mascara. The LSW London Mini Cards for quick daily habits that boost mental health. The Moira Hyaluronic Eye Serum with cooling applicator infused with caffeine for a boost. The Ritual Junkie handmade body butter scented with natural oils, and you could choose oatmeal rose or lavender sage. The Soon Skincare biodegradable brightening face mask. The Soul of the Party beaded plant hanger that fits multiple pot sizes. You could choose the Swig 6 reusable straws in fun styles like glitter and limoncello, or the Upcircle Sustainable Upcycled Skincare Night Cream with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And all beauty products are cruelty-free. I feel like with Jessica, I don't need to say that, but just in case you don't know her, all beauty products are going to be cruelty-free. Now we have the 3 bonus items, and these are just items that she puts in. If you are a bronze bear, your bonus item is the cartoon sponge. This is so stinking cute. I am not quite sure what I'm doing with it yet, but it says it is an $11 value, a compressed wood pulp cartoon sponge set. There's another one. I didn't know. I got to set of 2, and I was like, nope. So mine are a kitty cat and then this cute little dinosaur. How stinking adorable are they? Okay, set of 2. Eco-friendly and travel-friendly. These sponges grow to a usable size when you first get them wet. Take them camping or on your next trip. Those are so adorable. Next, we have the silver bonus. And remember, if you're a silver bear, you're getting the silver bonus and you're getting that bronze bonus. It is the Mini Momo socks. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Got a little heart in the cuffed area, and then it says, all you need is love. That is so cute. They are 71 cotton, 26 poly, 3% span, one size sock that fits most. They are designed to stay put. Colors will vary, but all have a positive saying, and a percentage of the proceeds from every item sold by this brand go to charity. I love that mine are black. I mostly wear black socks. All right, I don't know what this is. This is our last item. That's what we have. And it says it is a Maji Sports. I don't know if it's Maji or Mahi. We're going, oh, it's a foot massager. She's working out with it. So she's doing more than a foot massage. This was the Gold Bear bonus. If you are a Gold Bear, you'll get this and the socks and the sponges. It has a $9.95 value, and it says the foot massager relieves stiffened muscles and tissues in hands, arms, legs, and feet. It stimulates and soothes any sore, tired muscles, designed with pressure points. Okay, well, yeah, I will be putting that on the ground and doing that. My arch has been bothering me lately. I don't know what that's all about, so hopefully this will make a difference. The value of my box, and remember, I choose to be a Gold Bear, so it's $59.99. I have 7 items that I choose and 3 bonus items. Value of the 7 items that I chose was $181. The value of the bonus items was $27. So the total value of my box was $208. I love that. Let's do a quick review. The items that I chose were the adorable canvas tote, my Egyptian towel, Egyptian cotton. It says it's going to get softer. It's already crazy soft. The Desert Vibes IBY palette, the Bluetooth wireless speaker, the adorable micro puzzles that my girls are going to love. A base blue brush that is so soft and has its little travel case. The Scent Spot candle that smells like a rainy day going right into use. And then we have our 3 Goldie Boxed bonus items. These 2 adorable sponges. The socks, All You Need Is Love. These are from, was it Mini Momo? Mini Momo. I have to take a couple items out because we got a big one coming up. We have our foot massager. So our foot massager rounds out our bonus items, and I believe I've gotten it all back in there. So this is 10 items. 7 chosen by me. 3 were just bonuses from Jess. There were no customization categories, which is fantastic. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I do not know the answer, I can find it out for you. I can go straight to the source on this one. So I have no doubt I can find out the answer to any questions you have. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe. See you guys really soon. Bye.